So guys, we are in the IKEA and looking for some tables. Some more better things, like something like this. This piece here, I really need something like that. It would be really nice for my work stuff. Found something if you want to have something like a Walking Dead themed room. I found the perfect shelf. I'm really getting tired. So much work to do. We're just looking for the tables and all the other stuff we need. So, yeah. I'm so tired. So we will just find it and get it to the car, and hopefully in the car. We are done with shopping. This is all I got. My new mirror and the tables and some other stuff I bought. So yeah. Now we have to get it to the new apartment, and afterwards I will get something to eat. I'm so tired. And tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow everything has to go to the new apartment. And the people will come just at 9. Okay.